The question might be, why did we do the Pediatric Cancer Genome Project?
What we thought was the exciting thing to do at the time was to understand what mutations occurred in childhood cancers that caused a white blood cell to become a leukemia cell or a brain cell to become a brain tumor.
There was no roadmap for us to follow. There was no safe way to go, and we decided, let's just roll up our sleeves and do it.
We knew the answer was in DNA. Cancer is a disease of DNA.
We had the tumor tissue, which was well annotated in our tissue banks.
We really had all the resources in place.
This was a few years after the Human Genome Project had been finished, but that was all focused on normal DNA.
Before the Pediatric Cancer Genome Project, we might be studying a particular mutation or pathway in a particular kind of cancer, but we didn't know what else was going on in that cancer.
When the initiative started, there's only one whole genome of cancer in the world has been sequenced.
The PCGP has really been, fundamental in changing how we think about childhood cancer.
These tumors are not homogeneous tumors, but these are very molecularly distinct tumors in every subgroup that we look at. That opens up a completely different concept of how we are going to start approaching treatment.
The driver genes we discovered in pediatric cancer is different from adult cancer patients. Kids cannot be treated as a small-sized adult.
What used to take 14 days at a cost of tens of thousands of dollars for generating genomic data today takes a day and a half and costs less than $1,000.
PCGP revolutionized how we study cancer and find cure for previously incurable patients.
It has enabled us to understand the genetic basis of childhood cancer.
And indeed, if I look back over the last decade from when the project was commenced, we've not just sequenced 100 or so hematologic malignancies, we've now sequenced several thousand.
And I think there will be discovery after discovery, waves of discovery that come forward as we learn more about how to interpret the data that was generated. So this will last for a very long time.
Now that we've are approaching the 10th anniversary of the Pediatric Cancer Genome Project, the thing that's most amazing to me is the way that it has just exponentially expanded the research. It was just that first step. And then for each one of those little discoveries, there's now a massive explosion in the research in that area. So it's really been the spark that ignited transformative research in pediatric cancer.